Hi everyone, my name is Toria and I have been studying nursing in college but Berlin for 2 years. This video could be useful for those who want to improve their English languages and not make mistakes in future dissertation or assignment. It is very easy to use it and for sure it will be very helpful for all users. So here we go. Welcome to Virtual Tutor. First of all, to find it, you have to go to virtualwritertutor.com, and once it shows this website, click on it, and this page will appear. So this website have a lot of options, like here you see they have the option of count words. It counts the words when you finish your dissertation. It checks spelling. You have the check grammar, check vocabulary, check paraphrase, and the dictionary, an essay outliner, hypertext narrative, feedback, print, and everything. There's a lot of options. So let's see one. For example, we're gonna use one. But before, you should in the text area you should type for a sentence. Like here I type I would like to go to Paris. If you see there's mistakes, and then when you click on check grammar, for example, then wait for the feedback. If you see, it says in this sentence has 7 words and the error there's 4. So first, the letter I, the feedback says this sentence does not start with an uppercase letter. So this should be written in uppercase like it shows here. So you have to correct all the mistakes. And if you see this Paris, it says I have to capitalize the days of the week, the proper names, months, cities, province, countries, languages, and nationalities. So it's very helpful, this website. Even if you don't know how to pronounce a word of a sentence, on the right hand side of the screen here you see the volume icon. So you click on it and it will say out loud the whole sentence. You can check. See? So it's very nice and easy. Honestly, it helped me for a lot of to understand the things and to correct a lot of dissertation and everything. So I recommended to use this virtual writing tutor. So the idea is that the virtual writing tutor is very helpful for students and other students. And I hope this video was useful, and thank you for watching.